In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make marquee text slide animation in Figma. Start by opening your design so we have a canvas to work with. Select the text tool and type the message you want to scroll, something like new updates. Check out our latest features. Keep it on a single line for a clean marquee effect. Next, duplicate that text layer at least twice and line the copies up horizontally with zero gap between them. The goal is to create a continuous track of text so that when it slides, one copy seamlessly follows the next. Be precise here. Any tiny space will show as a jump in the loop. Select all the text layers and apply Auto Layout. You can press Shift-FA or click Auto Layout in the right panel. Set the spacing to 0 to lock in that seamless track. Auto Layout keeps everything aligned and makes width adjustments easier. Create a new frame and move the text inside it. Adjust the frame's width to the size you want the marquee to appear. This frame acts like a window onto the scrolling text. In the Design panel, enable Clip Content so anything that extends beyond the frame edges is hidden. That gives you the classic marquee mask. Duplicate this frame. In the duplicate, select the text and drag it horizontally until the second instance of your text sits at the starting edge where the first one began. This offset sets up the continuous handoff from one frame to the next. Select both frames and create a component set. This lets us prototype the motion between the two variants. Then switch to the Prototype tab in the right panel. Connect the first frame to the second by dragging the connection noodle. In the interaction details, set trigger to after delay with a 1 ms delay. Choose Smart Animate for animation. Set easing to linear for a steady speed and pick a duration such as 0 ms, or 10 seconds. That duration controls how fast the text slides. Longer means slower. Shorter means faster. Now connect the second frame back to the first. Set trigger to after delay with 1 ms again, but choose instant for the animation. This instant jump happens off screen because of the duplicate offset, creating a perfectly seamless loop. Create a new frame for your layout. Drag in the component and click Preview to play the text slide animation. You now have a smooth, infinitely looping marquee. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.